Today's technological era is closely linked to the advancement of modern electronic devices. The integration of advanced technology has become ubiquitous across various domains, boosting productivity, streamlining operational processes, and serving as a potent catalyst for professional growth across diverse sectors. Adhering to this principle, IBE Laser Vietnam has emerged as the front-runner in the realm of electronic equipment production within Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Welcome to IBE Laser Vietnam. IBE Laser Vietnam is a subsidiary of IBE Group, formerly known as IBE Electronics, which was founded in Shenzhen, China in 2005 with over 17 years of expertise in manufacturing electronic equipment for the diverse range of industries including laser, industrial control, automotive control, medical equipment, new energy, and consumer electronics. IBE Electronics has established 5 manufacturing plants across China, the United States, and Vietnam. With a workforce of over 1,200 employees, IBE Electronics has generated revenue exceeding $107 million. The company has been recognized as a reputable partner by numerous global clients such as Crypho, IBB, GE, Kramer, Plowpocket. With the name to expand globally and tap into the promising Southeast Asian market, IBE Laser Vietnam was founded in Thuan Thanh Tu Industrial Park, Bắc Ninh, 2019. Equipped with the state-of-the-art R&D facility, extensive and contemporary manufacturing capabilities, and compliance with internationally recognized standards like ISO, TS, ROHS, RICH, UL, CE, FDA, IBE Laser Vietnam is well equipped to take an idea from conception to product development, mass production, delivery, and comprehensive after-sales services in a seamless and professional manner. IBE Laser Vietnam strives to become the worldwide partner for original equipment and design services, delivering cutting-edge services, products, and solutions that cater to every customer's specific needs and preferences. Leave your idea, the rest let IBE Laser take care of. IBE Laser Vietnam provides services including 1. Research and development service. IBE Laser Vietnam offers comprehensive support to customers who have an idea or partial technology for the product and needs assistance with the remaining processes to produce the finished product effectively. Our team of highly skilled and experienced professionals has worked with numerous global industrial companies, providing R&D services including electronic and mechanical design services to assist customers in implementing OEM and ODM projects. Our expertise enables us to create high-quality products across various fields such as manufacturing medical equipment, telecommunications electronics, automotive technology, new energy. At IBE Laser Vietnam, we offer customized solutions that are tailored to meet the specific requirements and size of each of our customers. These solutions are designed to optimize efficiency and help our customers gain a competitive advantage in their respective markets. 2. PCB and PCBA assembly manufacturing. Technical experts are highly qualified, experienced, and equipped with advanced technology to guarantee the highest quality in designing, manufacturing, and assembling PCBs in large quantities with reliability and competitive costs. 3. SMT and full turnover. SMT is a modern PCB manufacturing technique that has replaced the traditional process and is widely used due to its superior benefits such as faster assembly, reduced signal delay, lower cost, and improved reliability of electronic products. For customers who require SMT technology for their electronic devices, IBE Laser Vietnam offers a complete package from process design, technology line to final product inspection. This enables customers to efficiently and quickly deploy production and enter the market with their products. 4. Material sourcing and supply chain management. The supply chain of PCBs comprises several components, including raw material and the PCBs themselves. PCBs and PCBA, being the most complex technical components in electronic products and assemblies, played a critical role in the world of electronic products. IBE Vietnam follows a rigorous process that consists of several steps to ensure the stable and seamless supply chain for PCB and PCBA production. Procurement management, process control, monitoring and inspection, product quality control, PCB function test, ICT circuits testing, burn-in testing, logistics and delivery, storage management. IBE Laser Vietnam's understanding of the market and industry allows us to provide expert advice and develop an efficient, detailed, and comprehensive supply chain process that ensures timely product delivery to customers, enabling them to succeed in the market. 5. Producing molds in plastic, metal parts. IBE Laser Vietnam offers a service in the production of plastic and metal molds, which is a crucial step in creating chassis components for electronic devices, completing the process of producing finished products. 6. Prototyping and packaging. IBE Laser Vietnam offers prototyping and packaging services as part of its comprehensive production process, ensuring that the finished electronic product is ready for market launch. IBE Laser Vietnam takes pride and honor in being with our customers every step of the way, throughout the entire process of consulting, designing, manufacturing, and operating with our customers. In this brief video, you will get an inside look at our company, our team of highly skilled engineers, state-of-the-art equipment and production facilities, and the passion that drives us towards success. You will witness firsthand our creativity, innovation, and dedication in every project we undertake, as well as the advanced technologies and techniques we use to deliver results that meet the needs of our customers. IBE Laser Vietnam is committed to continuous innovation and improvement to maintain our position as a leader in the electronics manufacturing industry. IBE Laser Vietnam sincerely thanks.